എക്സലൻസ് പുരസ്കാരം. ബില്ലിംഗ്, മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ്, അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് തുടങ്ങിയവയിലെല്ലാം ഒറ്റ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൽ എത്തിച്ച് ഇന്ത്യയിലും വിദേശത്തുമായി നിരവധി കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സ് ഉള്ള റെയിൻടെക്കിന്റെ സാരഥിയായ ഷിബിൻ റെയിൻടെക്കിന് യൂത്ത് എക്സലൻസ് പുരസ്കാരം ഏറ്റുവാങ്ങുന്നതിനായി ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
ഷിബിൻ റെയിൻടെക്കിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ആണ് ഈ സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറിനെ കുറിച്ച്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു പ്രസന്റേഷൻ നടത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് ഷിബിൻ, CEO റെയിൻടെക് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ ലിമിറ്റഡ്. നമ്മുടെ സ്ഥാപനമുള്ളത് കോട്ടയം ജില്ലയിൽ തന്നെയാണ്. കോട്ടയം ജില്ല വടയാർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സ്ഥലത്താണ് നമ്മുടെ സ്ഥാപനമുള്ളത്. നമ്മൾ ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഒരുപാട് സ്ഥാപനങ്ങൾ ഇതുപോലെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. POS മെഷീൻസ്, ബില്ലിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ സിസ്റ്റം. ഈ ഒരു ബില്ലിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയർ സിസ്റ്റം തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രസന്റേഷനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. My name is Shibin, CEO Raintech Software Limited. You may saw this kind of machines in many of the supermarkets, groceries and all. And Raintech Software Limited is particularly producing such kind of innovative softwares. And now we have 100 plus employees in a small village. We are developing software as well as the service, everything. We have currently 57,000 customers all over India plus abroad as well, and we are particularly focusing on retail industry. You may so there, if for example if you are making some business, for example offline business, nowadays online is very familiar. If you are doing only offline business, there is a limitations. We can do only business on the working hours only, like this. In such condition, Raintech Software Limited developed such a software. It will work on online as well as offline. When you are sitting in the shop, you can do offline sales, but when you are for example, the customers they are sitting in the home, they want to make online booking or something like this, they can do online orders from this software. There is a direct e-commerce application connectivity is there in Raintech POS billing software. For example, you can imagine if you are opening such kind of a shop in a small village, we can serve in a small area, like particularly small area, we can do the service. But this Raintech software, it is directly connected with e-commerce application, so that you can do offline sales as well as online e-commerce business together. And this is digital privilege cards. You may saw in supermarkets and groceries there is a cards are there, plastic cards they are issuing. It is very expensive, basically like 20 or 25 rupees is there for developing such a card for each customers. If you have a wide customers is there, like 1,000 or 2,000 customers is there, it is very difficult to prepare a card like that. With consider this, Raintech Software Limited developed digital privilege cards. Digital privilege card means you don't want to do print these cards. Once you are doing the sales to the customers, automatically Raintech software will send this digital privilege card to customers WhatsApp number directly without any delay. Such kind of revolution we made with Raintech software. You may saw this kind of digital catalogs. This is a very interesting feature in retail industry, because for supermarkets, you may go Lulu or some other shops, supermarkets and all, they will print out this kind of catalogs to design this one, to make the pricing and printing and distributing everything. It's a horrible job basically. With consider that Raintech software developed a digital catalog creation. From the Raintech software, customers can create digital catalog There is a multiple designs are available in the software itself. You can select your products, which are the products you want to create catalogs. You just select it, create the catalog, and you can send it to thousands of customers directly through WhatsApp technology. Again, we build artificial intelligence technology as well in the software. For example, there is like 1,000 or 2,000 products are there in your inventory. If you want to add those inventory, like you want to add the images for each product, it's a horrible job basically. That's the reason Raintech Software Limited developed artificial intelligence technology that will automatically update all your product images from Google Image Gallery. So you don't want to update one by one images, like product images by manually. Or software itself will do it directly. This is a gift vouchers. Gift voucher is normally when we are going to like Trends and other shops, they will issue some vouchers for us. Like next to purchase, you will get some discount or something like this. So those gift voucher printing and it is distributing, it is very horrible job. And even we can distribute it to like minimal audience. So here in Raintech software, we can send gift vouchers directly to customer WhatsApp number on each sales. And here is our crew members. They are continuously supporting customer care support, everything. This is all our teams. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.